Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the option sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and find this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone at the top. It is responsible for the sounds connected with the incoming call. So here we've got the system options. They are divided between classic and nature ones. We've got also this option on this device, and basically if you've got something downloaded or recorded, it should appear right here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. But let me choose something from the pre-installed ringtones. Let me pick nature. And basically, in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this forest morning, obviously I've got my device muted, so let me just volume it up, and basically this is how it works. So just tap on the specific option and you will be able to decide whether you like this option or not. So let's pretend I want this rainforest to be set as my ringtone. So just tap on it and then go back. And as you can see, it is notified here and also here, which means that from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.